Hello and welcome to this video about a Luxman DZ-112. Bought it some time ago and it's very good condition, but I never proceeded with any repairs because they don't fetch that much money. So I thought, well, if I deduct what I paid for it, what's the point of working for $100 when I don't know nothing about it? I have to investigate it, get manuals, spend a couple of hours, clean it, it's just, there are other better projects. I was hunting for some info on the net, and I came across information, and I looked at that, and I found out that this player has two Burr-Brown PCM 1701 DACs. Now, those of you who watch my videos on a more regular basis know that I'm a great fan of Burr-Brown PCM 1704 and 1702 DACs, which are the last proper DACs, and these are ladder DACs with laser trimmed resistors. So 1704 is a 24-bit DAC, 1702 is a 20-bit DAC, and these are 18-bit DACs. So two of those DACs, that's not bad as a start. So I decided to open it up again, and I found, nice motorized volume pot, but nothing remarkable other than those DACs, good build quality, but nothing sort of outstanding. But anyway, to the fault. The actual display is outstanding. It's got some information, but you're not going to see that today. So what didn't it do? The tray was to go in and out, and just that was all that it would mechanically do. And again, those who watch my videos would know that this is a problem with limit switches. So out the mechanism went, and I wanted to see what's the story with limit switches. Mechanism is KSS, or the laser is KSS 152, which I know nothing about. And I opened it up and I found three limit switches. One here activates when the head arrives, as you see now, arrives at its center position to read the disk, so the servo knows where it is. And here are the two that show the servo, tell the servo where the tray is. They're all dirty, but that doesn't matter as much as the fact that this lever just doesn't move. But even if it did, it wouldn't actually do anything because nothing engages it. And I looked on the service manual, and I don't know whether you can see it here, my mouse is visible, as it is. There is this lever, but it's really ambiguous the way it should be, and I think people have installed it the way it looks. The only problem is that, you see, this shows the mechanism right way up, whereas this is upside down. So it makes sense that if you flip that over, this lever would go into that slot and will engage with the tray. So somebody had a problem with this player. They've replaced the belt because it's nice and tight. And I don't know what they've been doing, but they put that lever the wrong way around. So this is what you get when you buy things second hand, and they will tell you, like I had a comment last time. I was working on a Kodak photo CD. I bought it for the CDM9 mechanism and said, oh, the power button broke, that's why. It was working before. And I opened it up and it just capacitors leaked and corroded the tracks. The power supply failed completely. and somebody just broke the mechanism or broke the power button to say, oh, well, it's just broken, it's for parts. Luckily, the mechanism is fine, so I'm happy with it. But anyway, this is what you see. I just could not work out to start with. What on earth does that do? Obviously, it's pushed in hard. I have to just remove it somehow without damaging it, and flip it around. And hopefully that will be the thing. Then clean the switches, and it should be at least a start. Well, thank you very much. Until the next time. Bye-bye.